Understanding, Come to Grips, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, come to grips. It's a common expression in English, and understanding it can really help you in both casual and professional conversations. So, let's dive in and unlock the secrets of this interesting phrase. The phrase, come to grips, essentially means to understand fully and deal with a problem or challenge. It often implies a struggle or difficulty in this process. For example, if someone is coming to grips with a new job, it means they are learning to understand and manage the new responsibilities and challenges that come with it. The phrase has its roots in physical grappling or wrestling, where one must literally get a firm hold on their opponent. Over time, this concept of grasping and dealing with a challenge evolved into the metaphorical use we see today in the English language. Let's look at some examples to see how this phrase is used in different contexts. 1. Personal development. She is coming to grips with her fear of public speaking. 2. Workplace scenario. The team is still coming to grips with the new software. 3. Emotional situations. He had difficulty coming to grips with the loss of his pet. These examples show how versatile the phrase is, fitting into various scenarios where there's a learning curve or an emotional challenge to overcome. Be careful not to confuse come to grips with simply gripping or grabbing something. Remember, it's about dealing with an issue, not just physically holding onto something. And that's a wrap on Come to Grips. We hope this video has helped you understand and use this phrase more confidently in your English conversations. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to come back for more insights into the fascinating world of English expressions. Happy learning!